Hello my dear friends, and welcome to this course, to this unicorn amazing course. During this course I want to share with you my favorite technique. It is quite unique, it is modern, and it looks absolutely different than any other cakes all over the world. Of course it's not unique technique, but I want to show you how to make it for raw cakes, raw plant-based cakes, and also baked cakes. I want to show you how to use only natural colorants to receive quite bright result for any of your ideas. I want to show you that without any soy, without any dairy and refined sugar, we still can have very delicious and very good cakes. And of course all recipes I would say 3 cakes from this course I will be completely plant-based, so no eggs, no dairy. All of them are gluten and soy free. There is no any palm or soybean oil, so we don't use any shortenings or vegan butters for these cakes. All creams, all chocolate, all decorations are made from scratch, and it's 100% natural and wholesome ingredients. It's 100% plant-based and healthful cakes. And let me tell you where we're going to start. So first of all, we're going to start to make such heart-shaped cake. It's a quite small cake, but the goal to start from this cake is to show you the tips and the technique of velour, of velvet, how to do it, how to avoid fails, how to make it really beautiful. So I don't want to push you to make a big cake and have some mistakes. So let's get started from something small, and you will learn a lot by making only this small little cake. After making this cake, we're going to work on probably one of the most complicated cake from this course. It's completely raw plant-based cake with very beautiful feelings inside, but by making this cake I will teach you how to make, for example, this raspberry strawberry vegan chocolate, again without refined sugar. You will have edible horn made with raspberries and strawberries, and also having this recipe, understanding the technique of using different ingredients, you can continue to create very different, flavorful and delicious plant-based chocolate. So yes, you can sell even pieces of chocolate. Also, we're going to make white chocolate ears for our cake. So horn and ears are completely edible for this cake. And after making the velvet coating using only one color for small cake, in this cake we're going to learn how to make ombre coating. Then once we finish our beautiful pink and white unicorn, raw unicorn, we're going to bake sunshine unicorn. It's not only baked, it's also free of eggs, dairy, gluten, soy, palm oil, refined sugar, artificial colorants, like all these cakes. But also we are not going to use any nuts, seeds, and no coconut ingredients in this recipe. This recipe, this cake is absolutely amazing for very little kids, for those who are only waiting for first birthday. So we make chocolate sponges using quinoa flour. We are going to make amazing, delicious chocolate avocado frosting, and it will be super flavorful, and no one ever guessed that we use avocado as a base. And these beautiful creams we make based on sweet potato. So just imagine that you make a cake for a little girl who is only like started to go And the cake is made with such ingredients like quinoa, sweet potato, avocado, good quality raw cacao butter. So there is no anything that this little baby has never tried before. Because I met a lot of moms who never gave to their kids up to 1 to 3 years old any nuts and coconuts, and they even don't know if the kids have allergies. So that's why this option is totally for these little kids. And this yellow color, it's a turmeric. And what can be more wholesome than such amazing superfood? And you will be able after this course to create any color of velour technique for any of your cakes. It doesn't matter if it will be raw or baked cakes. Even if you are specialized on non-vegan cakes, it will be also helpful for you, because anyway you can use this technique for any type of cakes, from small till wedding cakes. So welcome to the course.